In this video, you'll see how to create a concept map to help you with your interpretive and theory building work in NVivo. From my analysis so far, I've seen that attitudes towards real estate development have tended to be quite negative, but there is some positive discussion on the impact of growth on the local economy. I'd like to create a visual representation of this tension. The concept map is ideal for this, as it allows me to combine project items along with shapes to represent concepts that haven't been created as nodes or other items in my project. I'll begin on the Explore tab and click Concept Map. I'll call this map Attitudes Towards Growth. Now on the concept map, I'll see the familiar Add to Project Items button. I'm going to go in here and select the nodes Real Estate Development, Natural Environment, Economy, as well as the attitudes Negative and Positive. Then click OK. You'll notice we do not have the capability to add associated data in the concept map, but we have gained two capabilities. We can add shapes and we can add connectors. Now with connectors, I can show the link between real estate development and negative attitudes that I have established through earlier coding queries. To create the link here, I'll first deselect all of the new items by clicking in an empty space of my map. Now I'll click the connector button on the concept map tab and then click real estate development and drag towards negative. You'll see that the connector by default is an arrow linking the direction in which I drew the link. Note though the change connector button on the concept map tab. From here I can choose associative. This shows a line with no arrows to show this is a simple association. Now I've been thinking of growth as a central concept of my map, but I don't have a node for that. I'm going to use a shape to represent it instead. To indicate motion and growth, I'll select the left triangle, but first I need to get out of connection mode and back into pointer mode in the ribbon. Then I can drag the left triangle into the map. And now I can double click the shape to label this growth. With the shape selected, I can resize it. I can also change the fill color, the border width, and increase my font size to make sure this new concept stands out on my map. Now I can move these items around to try and make some more sense and illustrate the tension I see in the data. For more in-depth writing, I could also use the note shape to add some more explanatory text. For more in-depth writing, I could then copy and paste the map into a memo. Now you've learned a bit about all three types of map. Each has its own strengths, limitations and flexibility. Are you ready for a concept map in your own project?